As we have been saying since morning, it's a day where we are telling all of you to come out and play, be a part of our campaign, which culminates today with a rather big event with, events across the cities with top sports personalities joining us. So let's go across to Rika Roy and Tejas Mehta, who joins us from Kolkata and Mumbai. Well, of course, Rika has been speaking to Srishant, who will be having a few tips for youngsters, who's going to be training youngsters. And there's Tejas Mehta. He's still stuck with that hockey stick. I'm not too sure whether he's learnt any bit of it from Dhanraj Pillai, but he promises he will get some tips from Dhanraj and lots of students out there also. Let me first go across to Rika. Well, Rika, you're looking really happy. I hope Srishant has been able to, give a lot of tips to youngsters out there.
Well, we have been having lots of fun and games at the Vivekanand Park here in Kolkata, and Sri has been here for the last 1 hour giving lots of tips. You can see right now there's a bit of a commotion, but he's been bowling here. Sri, before we give out the prizes, I want you to demonstrate to our viewers, many thousands of them are watching you over the television. A leg spinner turned a fast bowler. How did that all become? How did all that happen?
It just happened with going back to Kochi. I started playing a lot of in matting wicket. And more than that, I think I just wanted to bowl bouncers, nothing else. As a leg spinner, you can't bowl bouncers. So just ended up...
so bouncers fascinated you, is it?
Absolutely. It was nice to get the batsman hit or they're getting scared rather than the ball getting scared. So, and it was more of an aggression. And it's nice. And even in the slogan, I read that slogan where how to face the bouncers. So right. I don't know about how to face the bouncers. That you should ask the cricketers. Maybe you should ask Naya how to face the bouncers.
Yeah. How was it? Batting against Srishant. कैसा लगा तुमको?
अच्छा.
हाँ?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
क्या खास क्या था?
जो मैं वहाँ मारा.
Oh, छक्का मारा ना मुझे भी. मारो high five.
Why do you think this kid is exceptional?
No, he's just, I don't know, he's just maybe the excitement and the way he ran with me. It's nice. At the end of the day, it's kids, so
you're giving him a prize for that?
Absolutely, absolutely. That's a goodie. Yeah. That's for her.
Yeah.
I was able to take it back. And this is for you.
So there is a prize for that little kid. What's your name?
Ritik Nair.
Ritik Nair. And Srishant seems quite... Srishant Nair seems to be very impressed with him.
And that's other girl who's got it.
And what's your name?
Marianne Chesney.
Okay, and she was also here at the camp, and yes. Sri was bowling to her.
She scored 16 runs of 6 balls.
Right, Sri, before we let you go, we want our viewers who are watching across the country to give some tips, bowling tips to them as well. You've been giving to these guys I've seen for the last 1 hour or so, and they've been having lots of fun with you. So could you also give to our viewers?
Whoever is watching, it's very easy. First and foremost thing is you got to believe. And to all the parents, all I can say is just support the kids. Trust me, if you end up playing a sport and if you support them, it's miracle. I mean, you end up achieving a lot of things. So my main thing is outswing. This is basically my grip. So this is not a new ball. It's kind of an old ball. So I do have this grip for an outswinger. So it's more like that. That's my stock ball there, and that's all I do for an in-swinger. And sometimes when I bowl a leg cutter, I use this finger. So it's more like that. So yeah, and then there's one slow ball which I used to do that in 2020 World Cup 2007.
Absolutely,
and
yeah.
IPL first season I did that. Sort of a slow because I used to be expert now.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.